today I am going to tell you about another type of connective tissue, that is fluid connective tissue. Okay, fluid connective tissue is also known as the vascular tissue, and in this we will read first about blood. Okay, so blood is a mobile connective tissue. As we know that blood is circulated in our whole body, so blood reach each nook and corner of our body. Clear? So this is the softest tissue which is present in our body, we can say that. Okay, so it is basically we can say that composed of different kind of tissue, different kind of components like plasma and blood cells. Blood cells is also known as the corpuscles. Okay, so corpuscles, otherwise we can use simply blood cells. What is the pH of blood? Clear? Either it's acidic or basic. So we can say that the blood is slightly alkaline, means slightly basic nature it's having, or its pH is, blood pH is 7.4. Just remember this thing, pH of blood is 7.4. It totally constitutes 7 to 8% of whole body weight. Means हमारी बॉडी में 7 to 8% पूरा ब्लड होता है. ओके, इट प्रेजेंट 5 to 6 लीटर इन केस ऑफ मेल एंड 4 to 5 लीटर in case of female. Clear? So as I told you, two things are present in case of blood. First is of plasma and the second is of blood cells. Okay, so first we will discuss about the blood cells. Clear? Blood cells are of three types. Yes, so three types are, first one is RBC, second one is WBC, and third one is platelets. You can see on your screen also RBC, WBC and platelets. So RBC is also known as the erythrocyte. What is the name of RBC? Erythrocytes. Clear? That is the name of RBC. Okay, it's having unique red color. Because why RBC is red? Because one pigment is present in RBC and the pigment name is hemoglobin. Clear? What is the function of hemoglobin? Hemoglobin helps in the carrying of oxygen. Clear? The main function of RBC is it helps in the transportation of oxygen. So that time this oxygen is carried by hemoglobin. Clear? In hemoglobin only whole oxygen is accommodated from our lungs. क्लियर? लंग्स में जो कैपिलरीज होती हैं, कैपिलरीज स्मॉलेस्ट RBC लाइक वेन्स, आर्टरीज, कैपिलरीज. क्लियर? कैपिलरीज आर द very fine network like thread like structure. क्लियर? सो कैपिलरीज में डिफ्यूजन से ऑक्सीजन कहाँ आ जाता है? इरेथ्रोसाइट में. क्लियर? व्हाट आर द इरेथ्रोसाइट्स? RBCs. Okay, so in RBC one thing you have to learn, all the cells, all the blood cells have nucleus, but RBC is enucleated. enucleated का मतलब होता है इसमें न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है. ओके, इन RBC non nucleated biconcave. You can see the structure here. You can see the structure, they are biconcave. Okay, and circular in shape and basically responsible for the transportation of oxygen. Clear? They are roughly half the volume of whole blood. क्लियर? जितना टोटल ब्लड है बॉडी में, हाफ जो ब्लड है इट इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ RBC. Okay, so RBC is very important, children, because RBC only governs the carry the hemoglobin, and hemoglobin is responsible for the transportation of oxygen inside the body. Okay, I hope RBC is clear. Now second thing we will discuss about the WBC. Clear? WBC is responsible for the help in defend the body from infection. Means they are the soldiers inside our body. Clear? How they works as soldier? Because they protect us from the different kind of infections or diseases. Clear? So WBC are of these types you can see on your screen. One is of monocyte. Monocyte show the process of phagocytosis. फैग करना मतलब निगल जाना. Okay, phagocytosis means the defined body by engulfing bacteria and other foreign substances. So these type phagocytosis एक process है जिसमें बाहर से आने वाले बैक्टीरियाज को, फॉरेन सब्सटेंस को मोनोसाइट्स जो होती हैं वो इनगल्फ कर लेती हैं. क्लियर, दे डाइजेस्ट देम. क्लियर. सेकेंड टाइप इज लिम्फोसाइट्स. क्लियर, lymphocytes are of lymphocytes. You can see in lymphocyte that a round nucleus is present. Okay, they are common in the blood but they are the dominant cell type in the lymph. Okay, that's why ये lymph में present होते हैं. That's why it's known as the lymphocytes. After blood, I have told you ना, vascular tissues are of two types. Fluid connective tissues दो तरीके के होते हैं. One is of lymph and second is of blood. And in blood also, blood is divided into two parts, plasma and blood cells. Okay, so today we are discussing about the blood cells. After blood cell we will discuss about plasma and then we will discuss about lymph. Okay, so here you can see lymphocytes are present in lymph. Lymph में पाई जाने वाली cells lymphocytes. Okay, so these cells are the second type of fluid connective tissue which is lymph. They are dominant in lymph. Okay, now next type of blood cells you can see in WBC: eosinophils, neutrophils and basophils. Clear, these three types of cells. These three type of cells, they also promote inflammation much like mast cells in other connective tissue. You can understand these cells on the basis of like eosinophils. You can see here eosinophils, they are bilobed in nucleus. You can see nucleus is bilobed. Clear. And basophils, you can see here in basophils 3 to 3 lobed or sometime S shaped. Nucleus of neutrophils is 3-5 lobed. You can see here 3 lobes are present, 3-5 lobed. Clear, are you getting my point? Okay, so we can stain them, means staining karna, color karna. Afterwards these are visible under the microscope. Clear, they show the different kind of inflammation when any type of infection takes place in body. That time basically eosinophils just rises up. That's why it is easily detectable by the blood test. ओके, जब हमारी बॉडी में कोई भी तरीके का इन्फेक्शन होता है, लंग से रिलेटेड इन्फेक्शन होता है, तो स्नोफीलिया हो जाता है. क्लियर, मीन्स ओसिनोफिल्स का नंबर बढ़ जाता है. Clear, so this is about the WBC. Now the last one is about the platelets. Platelets are formed elements consisting of membrane enclosed packet of cytoplasm. Clear, and blood platelets is especially, they are colorless, rounded, oval, biconvex shape. Okay, and it's having the granular cytoplasm also. Clear, and in case of platelets they are also without nucleus. Okay, so they are especially responsible for the blood clotting. So platelets are responsible. Platelets, the another name of platelets is thrombocytes. Okay, thrombocytes is also responsible for the blood clotting. I hope all the three types of cells are clear, means RBC, WBC and platelets. If you have any question regarding this, you can send me. In next video we will read about the plasma and all the functions of blood. Okay, then we will discuss about lymph. Thank you children.